Manipur Public Service Commission (MPSC) na Manipur Information Commission (MIC) gi common order gi mayokta Tharakkhiba Writ Petition Ahum ngasi High Court of Manipur na dismiss Toukhre. High Court of Manipur da Tharakkhiba Writ Petition adu Manipur Civil Services Combined Competitive Examination 2016 gi kumja lisingani kunithoi da pangthokiba exam da saruk yakiba candidate Ahumbu Right to Information RTI ek ki makhada makhoi ki answer script ke evaluation yenghalu haina MIC na pirakiba directive singna duna Tharakkhiba loina na Tharakkhiba Mpsc gi Writ Petition Ahum adubu Justice Eguneshwar Sharma na judgment pikibani hairi Writ Petition adu da Mpsc na argue Toukhre si Mpsc gi policy amana answer script ke evaluation pithokpa yade hairakibani loina na masida Supreme Court ki ruling amana candidate sing na hairakpa sing oppose tauki haina Tharakhi adum oinamak High Court na hairiba policy adu yenglaba matung masida athingba piriba asi certified copy sing piba yadaba khaktani amadi masida candidate sing na makhoi answer script ki evaluation yengzage haibada athingba leite haiba yauri loinana MPSC policy ke validity asi division bench ta panduna leiri amadi masigi matangda examine tawdri haiba court na lawi amaromda Mradul Mishra gi thaudokta Supreme Court ki ruling adu case asida pusilakliba asi court na yengle masida su asengba khangnaba candidate sing na masagi answer sheet yenghanba yari amaromda UPSC versus Angesh Kumar gi decision di case asida chatnaba yaroi maramdi case asida evaluation gi methodology amadi raw marks sing PU haina thabani maram aduna MIC gi order asida court na mating pangduna candidate sing gi evaluated answer script sing ngasidagi numit kunthra gi manungda pifam thokpa sel thihallaga yengnaba yathang High Court of Manipur na pikre hairi